Hello everyone, my name is Ekta. Today's topic is idioms. इन्हें हम हिंदी में मुहावरे भी कहते हैं. So let's start. First, break the ice, meaning start a conversation. Example, he told a joke to break the ice. Second, piece of cake, meaning very easy. This task is a piece of cake. Third, hit the sack, meaning go to sleep. Example, I am going to hit the sack. Fourth, under the weather, meaning feeling sick. Example, I feel under the weather today. Call it a day, meaning stop working. Example, let's call it a day. Sixth, in hot water, meaning in trouble. Example, he is in hot water with his teacher. Seventh, on cloud nine, meaning very happy. Example, she is on cloud nine. Eighth, time flies, meaning time goes fast. Example, time flies when you are happy. Ninth, keep an eye on, meaning watch carefully. Example, keep an eye on my bag. 10th, pull someone's leg, meaning joke or tease. Example, I was just pulling your leg. 11th, hit the nail on the head, meaning say something exactly right. Example, you hit the nail on the head. 12th, spill the beans, meaning reveal a secret. Example, she spilled the beans. 13th, let the cat out of the bag, meaning reveal a secret accidentally. Example, he let the cat out of the bag. 14th, burn the midnight oil, meaning study, work late at night. Example, she burned the midnight oil. 15th, cost an arm and a leg, meaning very expensive. Example, that car cost an arm and a leg. 16th, bite the bullet, meaning face a difficult situation. Example, I had to bite the bullet. 17, kill two birds with one stone, meaning do two things at once. Example, I finished two tasks at once. 18th, beat around the bush, meaning avoid the main topic. Example, stop beating around the bush. 19, get out of hand, meaning lose control. Example, the situation got out of hand. 20, easy does it, meaning do carefully. Example, easy does it while lifting. 21, a blessing is disguise. A blessing in disguise, meaning good thing in a bad situation. Example, losing that job was a blessing in disguise. 22, once in a blue moon, very rarely. Example, I travel once in a blue moon. 23, the ball is in your court, meaning it's your decision now. Example, now the ball is in your court. 24, throw in the towel, meaning give up. Example, don't throw in the towel. 25, throw thick and thin, meaning in all situation. Example, we stay together through thick and thin. 26. Back to square one. Start again. We are back to square one. 27. Burn bridges, meaning destroy relationships. Example, don't burn bridges. Go the extra mile, meaning do more than expected. Example, she goes the extra mile. 29. Sit on the fence, meaning not take a decision. Example, don't sit on the fence. 30. Speak of the devil, meaning someone appears when mentioned. Example, speak of the devil, here he is. 31. Cut corners, meaning do something cheaply. Example, don't cut corners. 32. No pain, no gain, meaning hard work brings success. Example, no pain, no gain. बिना हार्ड वर्क के हमें सक्सेस नहीं मिल सकती. 33. Make a long story short. Explain briefly. Example, to make a long story short, I passed. 34. Jump on the bandwagon, meaning follow a trend. Example, everyone is jumping on the bandwagon. 35. Hit the books, meaning start studying. I need to hit the books. Thank you, everyone.